Only qualified personnel should service and install Napoleon appliances and accessories. See product manual for details. This video will demonstrate how to replace the rear burner on a Napoleon Prestige PRO gas grill. To perform this service, you will need gloves, safety glasses, a 1/4-inch drive wrench or socket, and an adjustable wrench. To begin, disconnect the power and fuel source from the grill, so it can be safely serviced. Move to the back of the grill, and remove the back cover. The back cover is located between the grill head and the cabinet, and is secured to the grill using 1/4-inch drive screws. Ensure the igniter block and bracket remain within the opening. Locate the 2 nuts on the upper section of the opening. These secure the rear burner in place. Remove the 2 nuts using an adjustable wrench, and move to the front of the grill. Open the lid, and remove the rotisserie and the warming rack. This will allow you to easily remove the rear burner housing and access the rear burner. Remove the old burner by lifting it upward, and locate the new burner. Install the new burner by placing it through the holes in the back of the cook box. When placing the burner, ensure the end fits over the orifice correctly, and the igniter is not in contact with the burner. To replace the housing over the rear burner, slide the notches under the burner studs, while lifting the burner slightly. Then move to the back of the grill, and reinstall the nuts to secure the burner and housing in place. Reinstall the back cover, starting with the igniter block and bracket. The flanges, on the bottom of the bracket, fit into the holes on the bottom of the back cover. The bracket is then secured in place using a screw, before the cover is installed to the grill, using the screws on the outer edges. Reconnect power and fuel to the grill. Then turn on the fuel to perform a leak test. Create a 50% water and 50% dish soap mixture, and apply it to the gas connection and flex hose connection points. Look for bubbles forming at the connections, indicating a leak, and tighten the connection as necessary. Once confirmed there are no leaks, test the operation of the burner, and ensure it operates as intended. Click here to view the Wolf Steel Technical YouTube page. Like and subscribe to our channel to get notifications for new product and troubleshooting videos.